In this episode of the EU Energy Projects podcast, I'm joined by Vasilis Kotrogiannis. He is representing the Smart Energy Cluster. Together, we're going to discuss the importance of this cluster and why other projects should join it. Hi, Vasilis, and thank you for being here with me today.
Hi, Areti. Nice to meet you in person. Happy to be here.
That is really nice. Could you briefly describe the Smart Energy Cluster?
Yes. The Smart Energy Cluster was created under the INEXS project, and it is managed by ICP organization and the National Technical University of Athens. It has currently 39 projects, ongoing projects, and what we are trying to do is we are trying to build a community where all the projects can participate, can co-organize events, can disseminate their activities through our website, and in general can bring together energy efficiency projects under the topic of energy efficiency, and they can work together for a more sustainable future.
I would assume that they also network and learn from each other, right? It's not only about promotion.
Yes, they can network, they can learn from each other. We have and we hold every year one collaboration workshop every year. And in total, we have managed to make 3 collaboration workshops where all the projects can go together, present each project, and the new ones present themselves, present the results. And this is why Smart Energy Cluster is so successful.
So is the cluster under DGNR or SINEA?
No.
Something.
This is under the INEXS project, which is a live project.
It's a live project.
Yes, it is a live project. And it is managed by 2 organization partners of the INEXS project.
Yes. Okay. Yes. And how can a project become a member of the cluster?
Yes. All they have to do is to go in the website, in the Smart Energy Cluster website, which is smartenergycluster.eu, and they can hit the Join the Cluster button, and then they have to fill in some information. For example, which topics they cover. Once they fill this information, then we receive the email with a request of a project, and then we go and evaluate the results. If they cover more than 50% of the topics that we have, then it is accepted, and then they receive an email with all the information that they need from the Smart Energy Cluster and how to process and how to be a member of it.
Can you mention some of the topics?
Yes, it is energy efficiency, it has smart contracts, it has blockchain, it has energy efficiency investments, it has DLT, it has the ICT, and many other topics there.
Is there, let's say, one of the topics that is more popular than others? Because I see sometimes the tendency in projects to focus on specific topics more than others, let's say.
Yes, we have many projects that are in energy efficiency in buildings specifically. So many projects there are in buildings. Then we have many projects that are in the flexibility part. And we have other projects that are for EV, electric vehicles, and so on.
Yes, these are the hypes, especially flexibility in buildings. It's becoming more and more, let's say, important, of course, but also interesting for projects and for researchers. Isn't that correct?
Yes, it is correct because they are responsible for more than 40% of energy consumption, right?
Exactly. You're also a researcher at the Technical University of Athens. What are the topics of research that the university is focusing on?
We are focusing on many topics. We are focusing in the energy efficiency in buildings, hydrogen, electric vehicles. We are focusing in the industry. We are focusing in the distributed heating networks, in the machine learning, AI models, and so on. We cover many topics.
Does it involve a price? Do the projects have to pay in order to become members of the cluster?
The Smart Energy Cluster is completely free. And this is one of the biggest benefits because it doesn't require anything to be a part of the Smart Energy Cluster. And the projects receive so many benefits from being at the Smart Energy Cluster. Organizing events, newsletters, articles, we bring together new ideas, and we disseminate our results.
You said that the cluster is basically part of the LIFE program.
Yes.
The projects, however, that participate are also from LIFE program, or they can be from Horizon and other Innovation Fund, etc.
Yes, we have a field when a project wants to become a member. We have a field specifying the type under which the project is funded from. So, for example, we have Life, Horizon, and other types. It is not only focused on the Life programs.
It's broader.
Yeah, it's broader.
And how many years is it already ongoing, and how many years it will last still?
It has been ongoing for more than 2 years already, and we want to keep it forever. This is our goal, to have the Smart Energy Cluster living in other projects as well. We want to extend its life cycle, and we do not want to stop here.
Understandable. You mentioned that the Technical University of Athens is one of the partners. Am I to understand that the base, let's say, of the project of the cluster is in Athens?
No, it is wider, broader in all the Europe, across all the Europe. It is not only based in Athens, and it has nothing to do only with Greece. There are projects from multiple countries covering multiple countries in Europe. So this is something else that it benefits from.
Is it also outside Europe, like Turkey and
No,
Israel? No, only.
for now we are covering EU projects, but each EU project maybe has a pilot in other countries as well, outside Europe. Yes.
Why would you say that a project should join the cluster? I mean, you did mention that there are a lot of activities and things that are happening, like events and newsletters, etc., and the networking. But these are things that the projects can also sort of do themselves, and especially for programs like Horizon, it's part of their KPIs, right? They need to do it. Why particularly this cluster?
Because this cluster provides many choices and benefits for events. We are participating in many events across Europe, such as Enlit, that we are right now, Sustainable Places, Europe Sustainable Energy Week, and the projects can actually coordinate and co-organize these events with other projects that may be having more experience in the field, and it is easier for them to disseminate and replicate their solutions. Also, it is cost-free. As we talked about before, any project can join just simply by filling the form in the website, and they can benefit from every activity that we have. And of course, we are having the collaboration workshops that we talked before about, and these are promoting as well new ideas, new collaboration synergies. We are exchanging not only in the dissemination aspect, but in technical aspects as well, such as sharing data and so on.
Yeah, I mean, if I can put for a second here my decoded hat on, because as Enlit, we are part of the dissemination and communication group or working group within the consortium of Decoded, a project of Horizon Europe. We are also part of this cluster, and we have done activities together, and we hope to do activities in the future more and more. I would like to go a little bit, however, into the technical things, like how often do you meet? Are there assemblies online? Are there meetings online? Or are they live meetings? How is the organization going? And how much time does it require from the projects themselves? How much time do they need to invest in the cluster?
We meet every once per year.
Okay.
This is how we do it. But we always communicate through emails. And of course, during the events, we meet in person, we exchange ideas, we can talk about the future of each project. And I think that this is how we are organized for now. But what we intend is to have more regular meetings in the future and to promote further the Smart Energy Cluster with the community.
Okay, so you don't have also a basis, let's say, where you do your assemblies or something like that?
We do it online.
Online, it is online.
It is.
Okay, so zero money and the investment in time is relatively manageable. So I would say it would be a win-win scenario for a project to join you,
Of
right?
course, yes. And they can achieve very easily their KPIs as well, okay, inside the project, and they can reach more stakeholders for the project.
Vasilis, thank you very much for your insights. For more insights, join the Enlit community.